Hey guys, I'm Amber from Unique Upcycles, and in today's video I will be transforming this mid-century modern dresser. So if you want to see how I do that from start to finish, make sure to stick around. And remember to like and subscribe so you can get notified of future videos. I do post weekly. Let's go ahead and get started. This is what I'll be working on today. It is a 4-drawer mid-century modern dresser, probably from the 60s or 70s.
Music bed.
First, I'll be removing all the drawers so that I can clean the inside and out. I'll be using a pre-mixed TSP substitute for this.
Music bed.
Using some wood filler, I'll fill in any damage. Once all that wood filler dries, I'll sand it smooth with a sanding sponge, and then I'll wipe back any dust with a clean microfiber cloth.
Since left you colder, did the beat of your heart stop?
Using my Zinsser shellac-based primer, I will apply 2 coats of this primer with a chip brush to the entire piece.
Cooking water on the back of my bike, and me and all my neighborhood friends. Tonight we're gonna ride. We're gonna ride. Tonight we're gonna ride. We're gonna ride. Do you still see?
I'll be using the color Sea Glass by Dixie Belle and my Bare Natural Bristle Oval Brush along with my mister.
Just the same. Right back to buy a candy bar.
Since this is a mid-century modern piece, I want a smoother finish, so I'm going to keep all my brush strokes going in the same direction to try to minimize any texture.
Well, I'm still that kid, cooking motor on the back of my bike.
I did a total of 3 coats on this piece, and I'm using an 8-ounce jar of paint, and I didn't even use it all, so you really can stretch your paint to go far on projects.
I'm gonna ride. Tonight we're gonna ride. We're gonna ride. Look how fast I can go no more. Taking my hands off the bars when I know you're watching. Look how far I can go no more. My hands off the bars 'cause I know you're watching.
There was a little bit of texture left on this drawer front from the primer, so I went ahead and took a 220 sanding block and sanded it smooth and wiped it back prior to beginning painting it. This is the 3rd coat going onto the front of the drawer. To keep your paint smooth, I go ahead and I just use my mister to get it a little bit wet so I can continue to spread it out. I swapped out my bare brush for the smaller one to get in these smaller areas in the front. I will link all my products and everything that I used in the description.
I may run my way, but never quite been the one to stray.
Music bed.
If it were white under so much.
To protect my paint, I'll go ahead and I will seal the entire piece in 2 coats of General Finishes flat top coat, and I'll apply this with my Zebra Palm Pro brush. using Dixie Belle Moonshine Metallics and Gold Digger and a small detail brush, I'm going to go ahead and update the hardware for the handles and the little gold ends of the legs.
You've got no lines from real to dream.
I did a total of 3 coats of this gold on all the hardware for full coverage. I'm going to use this Wise Owl furniture salve in the scent Citrus Mint on the inside of the drawers. I'm just applying it with a wax brush in circular motions. It'll re-moisturize the dry wood, and also it makes everything just smell good.
There's no difference, tell me what there is to long for. No, no, I don't need it.
And here is the completed product.
Music bed.
I hear you're bringing hell and it won't take too long.
Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe so you can see future videos. And thanks for watching. I will see you next time.
Girl, you better than